and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anusha Siddiqui and I make makeup tutorials, skincare and other related videos. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So today's video is going to be a review video. I'm going to review a product from Pakistani brand which is Glam Girl by Mahwish Saqib. And I have already made a video on my first purchase from Glam Girl. So if you haven't checked that, I will link that down in the description box, so you can check that out after watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to use one of their product, which is their Night Glam palette. So this is the product which I am going to review today. I will show you how to use it and how the results are. So this is the product. I have already shown you the swatches in my previous video, but I will show you some swatches right now. So it looks like this and the details are written here. Okay, so which says that this is a lip tint, cheek and lip tint. This one is their face base. This one is the neutralizer, which means concealer, and this one is their selfie highlighter. Okay, so here are some swatches and the middle one is the contour. And let me swatch the contour. This is super pigmented. So far the first impression, like the swatches are really nice, and by this palette I'm going to create a no makeup sort of look, a daily no makeup look. Although they have another palette which says that it is a no makeup palette, and this is their Night Glam palette. The difference is just this palette has the contour and the other one doesn't have that. So I ordered this one because it has a contour cream as well. You can use it for your eyebrows and contouring. So this is an additional thing which comes in the same prices. So I ordered this one. So without wasting more time, let's start doing makeup. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to moisturize my face and I'm using my favorite Dermive oil-free moisturizer. I have taken this much quantity and I'll apply it all over my face. After applying moisturizer, I'm going to apply primer. For primer, I'm going to use Beautify by Amna Perfect Primer. I'll take this much quantity. You don't need to take too much primer because it can make your foundation more cakey than making it more long lasting. Okay, so first I think I should set my eyebrows. So for eyebrows, we have this contour side. I'll use an angled brush for this. So I have applied this eyebrow movement. Now I will set it with this Miss Rose eyebrow kit. I'm using this powder to set this. Okay, I'll share my final reviews after doing all this makeup, because firstly I will show you the application, then I will share my reviews. Now for shaping out my eyebrows, I'll use their neutralizer. Now I'll blend it out with a beauty blender. Okay, so finally my eyebrows are defined. Now I'll apply this face base. I'll apply it with the help of my finger. I don't know if this is light for me or not because I have ordered their darkest shade, which I found this is the shade golden. So this might be the darkest shade they have. So far it shows that it has no coverage at all, but I think that the blender is soaking more product. So I will apply more product and blend it with a kabuki brush. Apply it with the brush. Okay, so the blender was by Beautify by Amna, and this kabuki brush is by Beautify by Amna. Okay, so you can see it gives more coverage with brush and less coverage with beauty blender. Okay, so I have applied the base. Now I will apply the concealer, which is neutralizer. I'll blend it with the help of my finger. And I'm liking the coverage of this concealer. Okay, so I've applied it on my high points and my eye area to conceal the dark circles. So after that, I am going to apply the contour. For contour, I'm again using my fingers. This product is very pigmented, so you have to be very careful while applying this. Okay, so I'll use a beauty blender to blend this out. Okay, so I have contoured my face and I am loving this contour. You can see my nose and how nicely this contour is giving the dimension to the face. The undertone of this contour is really nice for my skin tone, and this is perfect. It is giving a really nice dimension to the face. This is definitely going to be my one of the favorite contours because it is giving a natural look in real or in camera. I guess you guys can see the nose how nicely the contour is blended, and the dimension it gives to the face is amazing. Okay, so after this I am going to set my face with a powder. For setting my face, I'm going to use this Beautify by Amna translucent powder. I'll set my under eyes with this Beautify by Amna tapered brush. I have already made a video on these brushes. I have told the use of this and the review and what is good and what is not good in their face premium brush set of Beautify by Amna. So if you haven't watched that video, I will link down that below and link it on the I button as well. So I'll use it for, okay, so I'll set my under eyes. After applying contour, I'm going to apply the cheek tint. So this is their lip and cheek tint, because before applying any powder product, we have to apply all the cream products, because if we will set our face with powder and then we will apply any cream product, then it will make a paste or a cakey look. So first I will apply this and then I'll set my face with powder. So I'll again use my finger. So this is very pigmented, so we have to be very careful while applying this. Okay, so I'll use my beauty blender for blending this. Let's see how it goes. I've applied a very little quantity of this. Okay, so I've applied the blush on. Now I will set my face with Beautify by Amna translucent powder. I'm going to use their tapered brush. This is a tapered face brush of Beautify by Amna's face premium brushes. I'm a dry skin person, so I'm not baking. I'm just setting my face. Now I'll set my whole face with this powder brush. I'm not applying too much powder, just setting this. Okay, so I like applying bronzer as well, so I will bronze my face a little. I will use this Beautify by Amna Tan Bun bronzer, and I'll just apply a little bit just to give a little warmth. Okay, so that's it. After this, I am going to apply a highlighter. So they have this cream highlighter, this one. I'm just dab blending this. Okay, so I will slightly blend it with a blender. You can see the glow. Okay, so after this I will set my eyes. Although we don't have any product in this palette for eyes, so I'll set my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back after doing my eye makeup. So I know I have said that this makeup look is going to be a no makeup sort of look, but I added some false lashes. So I wanted to clear that the all makeup, the look which I have created is a no makeup look. You can see there is nothing, no harsh contour, no dark blush and anything else. So this is a no makeup look, but I just added some false lashes to spice up the look. You can skip this step. And the eye makeup which I have done is neutral as well. Okay, so the final step which is left is this lip color. So I'm using this brush to apply the lip color. The lip color is also very pretty, and it is not for daily look, or if you apply this kind of lip colors in daily, you can apply that. Otherwise you can apply it like I have applied it on my cheeks, like a tint. It says it is party lip and cheek tint. Yeah, so it is a cheek tint, so you don't need to apply it in this much quantity, so the intensity will be less and it will be a natural sort of color. So I apply this kind of colors on my daily look. So I have applied it, and you can see how pretty this lip color is looking. So now coming to the final review of this product. Firstly, we have done the eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I usually prefer the products which are a little more thicker. This is very creamy, so I don't prefer it to use as eyebrow pomade, because I like eyebrow pomades which are more thicker and in grayish undertone. So this is more pinkish brownish undertone, so I don't prefer it using, but after setting it with the powder, it is looking pretty. So the quality is good, but I personally don't like using that creamy products. So yeah, the product is nice. So after that, we applied the foundation. So the foundation is good, but if you will apply it with a brush, it will give you the more better coverage. The coverage is buildable. You will apply more, you will get more coverage. If you want medium coverage or less coverage, it can give you all kind of coverage. And you can see my all marks are hidden now, as I have blended it with the brush. And now coming to the concealer. Concealer is amazing. The coverage is very nice. I have just taken little amount and I just dab it with my fingers, and you can see it concealed the under eyes, and it is amazing. After concealer, now coming to the contour. I already told you that I am in love with this contour. You can see the dimension it has given instantly without any effort. This is really an effortless contouring for daily look especially. Okay, now coming to the highlighter, and you can see the glow. It gives a natural sort of glow. So the cream highlighter is really amazing as well. Now coming to the cheek tint. So my cheeks are looking very natural. Although you don't need to apply a lot of product, if you will apply less, it will be best. So I have applied a little product and blended it very nicely. So it is looking very natural. And when it comes to the lips, so it is a bit long lasting. So you can apply it in this much quantity, or you can go very light with it to give a very tint sort of pigment. So you can see this was the final look, and this was my review about this product. Okay, so this was all about this video. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you have any question, you can comment down below and contact me on Instagram as well. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.